When you are thinking, I am absolutely healthy, and I am believing in that I am absolutely healthy, and every day, in every way, I am becoming better and better. I actually made you people scan the aura because whatever is happening at a cellular level is also happening at the aura level. In a physical matter, the realization, it takes little time, but instantly the thought comes. The endocrine system and the cellular system instantly start reacting with our iota of thought, even little bit thought which comes in my mind. My body is asking no question, no questions asked. They will just start acting. Because only my mind has the conscious and the subconscious mind, but the cellular mind is only cellular mind. My mind has the logic, the creative, and the subconscious. So when I ask a question, when I say do it, then the logic will say, what are you doing? So he is inquiring, he is opposing. But the cellular mind, no questions asked. They will only listen to what you are saying. So if you say, every day, in every way, I am becoming younger and healthier. And if you really believe, and you will have to surpass your logic mind, because the logic mind will say, younger. You understand? So it will not go to your cellular mind. It will never go. That's why in our Shastra they say, Shraddha, Bhakti, Vishwas. These three traits are very, very powerful. And they taught us this. They say when the Guru comes, Guru Bhakti, Shraddha, Bhakti, Vishwas. Because Guru, the work of the Guru is to make your life worthwhile. So he has come to teach you something. He has come to, give you something very valuable. And if you have Shraddha, Bhakti, Vishwas, the Guru Bhakti, what Guru has said, Guru Vakyam, Param Vakyam. Even Guru Gita, you read that. Whatever he has said, that is the final word. So you have Shraddha, Bhakti, Vishwas. Then the logic mind is Thanda. He is not going to interfere. Because it is a Guru mantra. The Guru has given you the mantra. It is not you have read from anywhere in any book. It is Guru के मुख से एक वाणी निकल रही है और वो तुम्हारे भीतर जा रही है. वो फलीभूत होना ही होना है. Do you realize that? So that is why every day, in every way, I am becoming younger and healthier. Now what happens is immediately the cellular, the cells, they are communicating, they are sending the message. And that neuropeptide, they are releasing and they send, and then to another, to another. And then it goes to the endocrine system. The endocrine glands has to secrete the hormones. And these hormones are, it's a very, very deep science. Even the science, the medical science has not been able to reach even up to 5% of the hormonal secretions which happens in the endocrine glands. Now, when the message goes that secrete youthful hormones, they are secreting youthful hormones. And when the message goes, no, secrete the hormones which increases the aging process. So then those hormones are secreted. Why? What happens is, it's a human programming. A child is born. It is fed in the intracellular memory that when you are born and suddenly, and then gradually you will become bigger and bigger and bigger. 5 kg child become 100 kg. That's bad actually. It should be not more than 60 kg. But when you look around, you find all wet-fed people, so nicely happy. The laughing Buddha. So he probably think it's a prosperity. So it is a belief, Shraddha, Bhakti, Vishwas.